Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking here at two single caps, custom fitted teeth grills. Now these are diamond dust, two-tone. As you can see there in the middle, you see that diamond dust there finish, and it's a gold. This actually is 10K solid gold. Show you the back part of it. 10K stamp. This is also available in 14K solid gold. Okay, and you can choose the tooth that you want right on our website, Bling, Cartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. Beautiful handmade work, quality. Check us out, guys. BlingCartel.com. Thank you for watching.